going on, guys? Welcome back to another dark web unboxing video. It's gonna be nuts, guys, so smash the button and stuff. And there it is. There's my package.
I got a package for you, sir.
Nice. Thank
Here
you,
you
sir.
go.
I'm gonna be taking this. I'm gonna be placing it right here. The guy has left, guys. We're gonna open this box. Let's go. There's a sticker on it. It's gonna be very difficult to take off, guys. But luckily, I've entered in a cheat code that lets me take it off and get into the dark web boxing. This is so scary already, guys. We have a beach ball from where it's deflated. Someone must have been pumping in some weird chemicals into it. Luckily, it is drained. What else do we have in here? A small box. With another box in it. No way, dude, is that plastic? Look at this, come from like another random YouTuber's house that we don't know. No way. Okay, guys. I'll catch you when the next dark web box. Hey, look, there it is.
Sir.
Hey, it's a completely different delivery guy from
Yes.
UPS and FedEx. All right, thank you. Our second box has arrived, guys. And in this, it's gonna be some scary. I don't even know if you guys saw it. All right, guys, here we go. No way, man. No freaking way. Look. Febreze. It's Febreze Fabric Pet Odor Eliminator. I actually needed a restock on this one, guys. And it's full. Let's go, guys. No, it's not. It's not very full. A bear. There's a bear in the box, guys. This is a cursed bear. So be careful. Don't say I love you to this bear 3 times. And this, look at it. It says on it something. It says Dark Web Mystery Box. Thank you for opening and spending on the dark web, guys. That's definitely what it says. A sponge. All the dark web HQ locations on the school. Guys, I can't show you it, unfortunately. That would just get me in way too much trouble on the dark web. Last but not least, a wrapper from a bar. I guess the delivery guy got kind of hungry on his way here. So, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to smash like, follow social media. What else do they say? If you don't hit subscribe, you will wake up with a spider in your bed, guys. Don't risk it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
I could have gone to school, but instead I stayed home and Googled about the things I can say about Carter's.A. Carter's like a brick. You put him on a wall, and he's thick. Oh, you think you play brick?